here at IESLA product fair to look at some products, particularly controls, and I'm standing in front of some very pretty lights, and they're also pretty cool. Let's look at the controller for these because I've never seen one before. So this is a combination DMX decoder and 24-volt driver that drives all the different colors and modulates all of these flexible LED lines. Very, very cool. Good replacement for fluorescent tubes. If they're weatherproof. Are they weatherproof? They're weatherproof, I'm told. Yeah, these are by TMB, at least they're the distributor. These are actually, I believe, from Australia. They are flexible. They're IP67 if you put them in yourself, IP68 if they are molded into shape at the factory, so weatherproof.
Firefly Lighting is a hip, cool, and groovy Australian company. Their product is flat on the back and very flexible and extremely uniform in illumination